I think I've lost all self-control at this point. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, my name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today is going to be a little bit of a haul. It's my Toronto Premium Outlet haul. So let's get into it. Before I get started with today's video, you guys know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, luxury unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what I got from the Toronto Premium Outlet, then keep on watching. So I did a little bit of damage over the weekend. My mom and I decided to go shopping, and we are honestly really bad influences on one another. Me and her enable each other like there is no tomorrow. So needless to say, we did a little bit of damage at the outlet mall, and we just kind of spent the whole day together. We went shopping for majority of the day, then we went out for lunch, and then we had a little bit of errands here and there. But needless to say, it was a very fun day. I love shopping with my mom just because we kind of influence each other and we kind of support each other's purchases and decisions when we're making them. So it's always fun to go shopping with my mom. Obviously, my bank account and my credit card say otherwise, but you know what? It's a bonding experience. So let me show you what I got. So the Toronto Premium Outlet is actually located in Halton Hills, and it has so many different stores in there. I think I've mentioned it a couple times on my channel before. So if you're ever in the Toronto area and you want to go check it out, I definitely highly recommend going earlier on during the day before it gets really busy, because you can hardly find parking there if you go later on in the afternoon. So they have like a Gucci outlet there, Versace, Prada, Macaj, Burberry, Yves Saint Laurent, like you name it, they have a designer outlet there for you. And they have obviously the contemporary ones such as Michael Kors, Kate Spade, Coach, and then they have other retailers as well. So it's definitely worth a visit if you haven't been there yourself. I'm sure you'll find some great deals. I know I did. So let's go ahead and get started with today's haul. The first item that I picked up was from Ted Baker. So generally for this haul, I was looking for more clothes. So this is going to be a lot of clothing items. So I was looking for some shorts, I was looking for some work attire, and I was looking specifically for a jean jacket. I've always wanted to have a jean jacket in my wardrobe, and there was one that caught my eye from one of the brands that I'm going to share with you, but I just didn't order it online just because I wanted to see how it would fit. So needless to say, I ended up picking it up because it fit perfectly, and so I'll get into that in a little bit. But I picked up this from Ted Baker, and the item that I purchased was actually going to be around $198, but I actually ended up getting it for 65 Canadian dollars. And what I ended up picking up was this nice pink button-up shirt. So this button-up was absolutely amazing. I tried it on in store, and it is just so soft. I got it in the size 5, which is Ted Baker's medium to large size, and this is made out of their ultra soft finish. So even on like the tag here, it shows ultra soft, and let me tell you, this is so freaking soft. I absolutely love this shirt, and I think it'll go really well for when I'm going to the office. So this was item number 1. The second store that I stopped at was Michael Kors. And to be honest, I was looking through a variety of different places for these particular items. What I ended up getting from Michael Kors were a couple pair of shorts. To be honest, the other locations that I went to, such as like Nike, Adidas, Lululemon, they weren't really like speaking to me. And I wanted shorts that I could kind of like lounge around the house with, as well as if I wanted to take them out as well. So the shorts that I ended up getting, I did end up getting the same shorts, but in 2 different colors. So the shorts were actually 125 Canadian dollars, and then I got them on sale for 50% off. So they were $62.50 plus tax each. So not too bad. Overall, I think for this whole haul, I kind of saved about like $300, $400 or so. But the shorts that I ended up getting were honestly just these like classic shorts. They have just the Michael Kors down the side here. And then it does say Michael Kors at the back. And I got these in a size medium. So for some reason, they were really hard to get sizing for. Michael Kors doesn't have much selection for men at their outlets. And I definitely think that they need to kind of have more selection, because I'm not really into their handbags or their small leather goods. But I do like their apparel because it is fairly reasonably priced. I think $62 for a pair of shorts is pretty good. Obviously, there are cheaper alternatives, but I definitely think that these will last me quite a bit. So I ended up getting these ones, and then I ended up picking up the same pair as I mentioned, but in the blue color, which I think is really cute as well. And again, it has the Michael Kors running down the side on both sides, and then it has Michael Kors on the back side there as well. And again, this was a size medium, and these did retail for $125 before tax, but I did get them 50% off. And last but certainly not least, this is going to be the item that I was mentioning in the beginning of the video. So I have been stocking this piece online for quite some time, but with this kind of material and this kind of item, I was hesitant to order it online just because I don't want to have the hassle of returning online orders. It's just not something that I like to do. So if I have to wait, I will wait until I can get into a boutique or into the outlet location, so that way I can go ahead and try it out, see if it fits, that kind of thing. And let me tell you, like, this fits perfectly. And so the item that I did purchase was the denim jacket. So this retails at the Coach outlet for 598 Canadian dollars, but I got it on sale for 50% off. So this was about 300 Canadian dollars. And this is like brand spanking new. She brought it out from the back, and I had to literally take out all of the plastic on the buttons. You'll see that some of the buttons still even have some of the tissue still on it, just because I didn't need to take those off, just in case I wasn't going to keep it. I didn't want to take off all the packaging. But I did try this on in store, and my mom's like, yeah, like, this looks so good on you, you need to take it home. And then it does have a patch at the back, but I guess I'll take it off to show you. So this is the Coach patch as well. And I just absolutely love this. So I did get this in a size, I think it's medium. Yes, so I did get it in a size medium, and it just has the Coach tag on the inside here. But yes, I am super happy that I was able to pick up this jacket, and I'm super excited to start to style it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. I also just wanted to quickly apologize for not posting a video last week. I was super busy with work and school, and life just got the better of me. So I wasn't able to post a video last week, but I am going to do my best to continue my consistency moving forward, so that way you'll always have a video from me regardless of how busy I get on Fridays. So if you like this kind of quick haul video from the Toronto Premium Outlets, again, I would really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.